Hello and welcome. So today in this class we will continue the third part of the series, and now I am going to show you how to use the slot command to draw slots in SolidWorks. So there are four types of slots you can see here: a straight slot, center point slot, 3-point arc slot, and center point arc slot. So basically there are two types: straight and arc. So here the first slot is like this. Select the first slot, then select the plane, press the space bar, and then we can draw the slot like this way: the first point, the second point, and then move the cursor outward, and then the slot will be created. Now if you wish to give it a dimension, now press the escape button and then click on smart dimension and click on this line, or you can click on this point, hold the control button, and then click on this point, and then you can go upward or downward and give it a dimension, any dimension as per your requirement, like 100. So this is a slot created in this direction. Now another dimension is required, which will be the radius of this part of the slot. So once you will give it a radius like this, it will be given in the both side, like in both sides the same radius will be applied. So this is a slot created in this direction, and this is a fully defined slot because we have given this fixed point and we have given it a horizontal line here. So it is created in the fully defined condition. Click on this button and then the slot is ready. Now the next is center point slot. Like we have initiated this slot from this point and ended at this point, but now we will create same thing, but this will be the first point and this will be the second point. So this way we can create the same slot like this. So the same slot is created, however we have started with this point and ended at this point. Then press the escape button, click on a smart dimension, click here and give it a dimension. Now click here and give it a radius. So here slot is created, the second type of slot. This is a partially defined slot because we have not started it with a fixed point. So now you can make this one as defined as well, like if we create a line from here to here and then we define this line with a dimension, then the another slot will be defined as well. So both slots are defined from this point. Okay, now the third is 3-point arc slot. So the 3-point arc slot, to draw this, once we will delete this, then we will move to the next slot type. So I'm deleting this way, and 3-point arc slot. So here I am creating a line first because we need to draw this slot in the fully defined condition. So I am going to create a center line like this, and I will define this line like a dimension. Click here and 150 mm. Okay, and click on this point, and press the control button, hold the control button, and then click on this point, and then one second, we need to press the escape button first. Now click on this one, then hold the control button and then click this one. This both the points will be selected this way, and then make it coincident by applying the coincident relation. So now we can see that the color is black, so this line is fully defined. And now we will make the 3-point slot like this. The first point, the second point, and the third point will be in the middle like this. So here is the third point. Okay, and now go outside and the slot will be created this way. Now the slot is created, but the slot is still partially defined, so click on a smart dimension and give it a dimension, the center point. So we are applying a radius here, any radius like 87 or 85. Radius is applied to this line, the center point, the center line, and now we will apply a radius to this side. So we apply here a radius of 15 mm. Now this slot is also fully defined. So these were the three types of slots which are made in this video in the fully defined condition. Now the fourth is center point arc slot. Now this slot, I am creating this slot like center point is taken here, and the first point is taken here, then the second point is taken here, and then we are creating a slot here. So this slot is created in the partially defined condition, but I will show you how to make it in a fully defined condition, because we can create it in a complete sketch in a fully defined condition. Like we need to draw a line from this point to this point, and then we need to draw a line from this point to this point, then we need to fix that line in the fully defined condition, and then this will be made in the fully defined condition. So these were the slots which we use generally, and we generally use the three types of slots in the upper side, and the center point arc slot is very less used, and it is used in the complicated drawings as well. So we will also cover this one in the latter part of the series. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel and like the videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.